Hey my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Nidhi and I get every week makeup related videos. Today's video is a special one. It is a kickstart to the holiday season. So I've created a beautiful classical holiday season makeup look with nudish brown kind of an eyes, winged eyeliner, bold lips. Today's makeup video is just not about this classical makeup look. This video is all about how to get a beautiful skin during the holiday season when you're not having those perfect days of skin, and many more tips and tricks to get beautiful makeup every time. If you're interested to know how you can get this, keep on watching. I have well prepared my face, and now the first step of the makeup will be concealing my eyes. For concealing my eyes, I'm using a lighter shade. I'm using it all over my eyelid. This would act as a primer for my eyeshadows, as well as this would camouflage or cover up all the darkness around my eyes so that the light colors I'll be using in this look will be popping well. After blending everything well, I'll use this palette from Juvia's, the Warrior Princess. I'll use a small fluffy brush. On this I've taken a beautiful mustard brown color and I'm just warming up my crease line and a little bit my eyelids. After this step, this is gonna be very easy. I'll pick a darker shade on the same fluffy brush and then I'll start the job. The job you'll have to do is just to intensify or more warm up your crease line. Don't go anywhere else. And if you notice right now, I've used two tapes on the outermost end of my eye so that the lines and the eyeliner become crisp, clear. There are no rough edges. Now I will pick up the concealer and I'll start working from the innermost corner to the mid of my eyes, and I'll create a half cut crease. So the thing is, whenever you use a concealer, you should always set it. So on a flat brush, I'm using this matte eyeshadow from the same palette and setting my concealer. Or if you don't want to do this, you can use any powder to set your concealer, but setting is most important, else the concealer will crease. And now I've picked up a shimmery shade and placed it on my part where I've placed the concealer, but there are two color blocks if you notice, this light one and the dark one. This is not exactly what we want. We want everything to be blended. So I picked up this mustard shimmery shade and I am just blending everything well in place. After this, I'm using this NYX Cosmetic eyeliner to draw a wing, and this, trust me girls, is gonna be very easy because we have the tape. The easiest way to draw a wing liner is from the mid of the eye and pull it till the end, and then draw the line from the innermost and join the middle section, and this is how you can get the easiest eyeliner ever. And now is the time to remove the tape and show you how perfect the eyeliner and the eye look is. Now I'll prepare my eyelashes offline and be back. So this is how the look it looks, and now is the time to do the face part. For face, first I'm using a primer oil. I'll just massage it into my skin. Now as I told you, I'll tell you a perfect way to cover all these acne blemishes without looking cakey. So you can use any medium coverage foundation and then spread it all over your face and give a little more coverage where the problem areas, like I have acne marks. So I'll let it sit there. I'll not blend it. I'm not going to touch it so that it becomes a little tacky and drier. And then after that, I'll work on other parts of my face. Like I'm right now working on the under eye part. I'm using this e.l.f. Concealer. This is a little lighter than my real shade, and I'm just blending it with the brush because I want everything to be, snatched. I want everything to look brighten up. After all, it is holiday season. After blending the concealer with the brush, I'm using the butt of my beauty blender to absorb anything excess. Still, if you notice, the foundation is there. I'm using this lighter shade to highlight my innermost corner, of course, and the eyebrow bone to further open up my eyes and brighten. Then after that, I've picked up the same flat brush and I'm patting the foundation into my skin because it has become tacky. So now the medium coverage foundation will also give you a full coverage foundation effect. Hence, this will cover up every flaw on your skin without making you look cakey or having a heavy face base, and everything is covered if you can see. And now we'll use this angular brush to give a contour to your face. When you're contouring your face, always remember you'll not drag anything, you'll pat everything in so that the base doesn't move. I am using it around the usual areas, hollow of the cheeks, jawline, parameter of the face, and I love to get that snatched look. I love that sun-kissed look, so that's why I'm using a bronzer instead of a contouring product so that everything warms up. And now we'll move on to the forehead. If you don't have a broad forehead, you can completely avoid this step. Now we'll move on to the blush. I'm using in a peach shade on apple of my cheeks, and yes, I'm done. Now I'll use the highlighter. It is a festive season, it is holiday time, so I'm using a little more of a highlighter. This is such a beautiful golden highlighter from Fenty. This is Trophy Wife. I'm using on the usual points, high points of my face, and once we are done, the face would start looking something like this. Isn't it a beautiful makeup look? Now this is a nude eyeliner. You can use a black one. I'm using this because it opens up my eyes. And then the last step for the eyes would be a generous coat of mascara for the lower waterline lashes. Once I'm done with this, I'll move on to the very last step of making this makeup a classic holiday makeup. That's using a red lipstick, and this is from Maybelline. Almost done, and the face would look something like this. And now the time to set everything in place because we've spent so much of time on our face, and that's how the look will be. And that's my favorite look for the holiday season. Do try it. This is so easy and makes me look so festive. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, kindly give it a like and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, and I would be coming up with many more holiday season makeup looks. So keep on watching, keep on tuned to the channel until we meet next. As I always say, keep on practicing makeup. Take care. Bye bye.